New Hampshire, southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, Rockingham County in southern New Hampshire, York County in southwest Maine, until 7:30 a.m. and 4:19 a.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from numerous thunderstorms over the warned area. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to White Lake State Park, Port Ocoee State Park, Bear Brook State Park, Waterboro, Springvale, South Elliott, South Berwick, Sanford, Lebanon, Keyser Falls, Hollis, Cornish, Buxton, Berwick, Alfred, Wolfboro, Suncook, Somersworth, Rochester, Ossipee, Northwood, Newington, Loudon, Hooksett, Gilmanton, Farmington, Epsom, Effingham, Durham, Dover, Concord,